Hello, my name is Desiree Lauricella, and I am a 2008 LS&A grad from the University of Michigan, and I graduated with a dual degree in psychology and women's studies. And currently, I am the principal and owner of my own law firm, which concentrates primarily on commercial and real estate litigation here in Chicago, Illinois. My University of Michigan liberal arts education in both psychology and women's studies and all my classes has greatly impacted my life in that it has given me a very holistic approach to everything I do, particularly in my law practice. I feel that one of my biggest strengths is being able to talk to anybody from any background, regardless of what they've been to, and also to show empathy to them, because that is something that the psychology curriculum does stress. I went straight from undergrad when I graduated in 2008 to law school, and I attended the John Marshall Law School in Chicago, Illinois. Straight away, graduated and took the bar. After 3 years, was licensed as an attorney, and then began practicing here in law firms. I started at a mid-sized law firm that did primarily commercial litigation. During law school, I had worked at a variety of law firms. I had done personal injury, I had done mortgage foreclosure defense, in addition to working at a boutique commercial litigation firm, which means basically businesses suing each other, and also they did a lot of real estate litigation, which is any dispute you can think of that involves real estate. And I really liked that, so that's what I did right after law school. I worked at a smaller firm of about 15 attorneys doing that. And later that firm, unfortunately during the recession, closed. But right before it closed, I was able to get another job at a mid-sized firm of about 35 to 40 attorneys doing pretty much the same thing with a heavier focus on commercial litigation and real estate litigation. And after about 3.5 years of working for law firms, I decided to hang my own shingle and try it myself and see how I liked, running my law firm. And I view it as the best decision I ever made. I love it, and I don't think without the great base of a liberal arts education and all of the things I learned at Michigan, I'm unsure if I would still have that entrepreneurial spirit to be able to just strike out on my own and start my own firm. I love what I do, and hopefully I continue to do well, and I'm sure I will, and I'm confident I will because I believe in myself and in my abilities, which is my advice to you, both personally and professionally, as a student or as a young alumni. If you're not sure, I do think just do it. Just go out there and put yourself out there and try something new. And if you fail, it's still something that can be construed as a learning experience in many ways, and then you should try again. If you fail, try again. And it takes a lot of gumption to do that. I know it's easier said than done, but I do think that hard work pays off. And as a Michigan student or alumni, you're definitely hardworking, and you've proven that so far. And I'm sure you'll go far and be able to experience all kinds of success so long as you keep your nose to the grindstone and believe in yourself while also working hard. And just one last note, I do want to express to you the importance of the University of Michigan Alumni Network. When I moved to Chicago, I knew one person, and that was my best friend, and we were both moving here to go to law school. But in order to meet new friends and to network with potential lawyers, both her and I decided to start going to our local alumni chapters events and, just social events, and I joined the alumni softball team, just to make new friends and to meet people in Chicago. And that was also great for me to do because I've now been playing softball with almost all the same team members for the last 8 years. And lo and behold, there were 6 lawyers on that team when I first joined as a first-year law student. So I got great networking. And another impact that being involved and staying involved with the alumni network is that I've been told in numerous interviews for jobs that the reason I was there is because they were impressed with my Michigan degree. And a lot of times I actually got interviews because the person who was going to interview me was a Michigan alum themselves. So it goes very far. I actually never knew until I graduated and started looking for jobs just how far the Michigan reach is. But the alumni network is vast, and Michigan alums are everywhere. I wish you all the best and hope you have the most success in the future. So go blue!